Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the Midshipman's Hitch. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at Knot School. I hope you enjoy it. The Midshipman's Hitch is a versatile and adjustable knot. It's primarily used for creating tension in a line. Its ability to be adjusted under load while maintaining a secure hold makes it particularly useful for securing tarps, tents, and other tensioned lines. The Midshipman's Hitch is classified as a friction hitch. Hitches are knots used to secure a rope to an object, and friction hitches rely on friction to maintain their hold. The Midshipman's Hitch doesn't have any alternative names, however, sometimes it's confused with the Taut-line Hitch and is a variation of a Rolling Hitch. Structurally, the Midshipman's Hitch shares very close similarities with the Rolling Hitch. To tie a Midshipman's Hitch, begin by wrapping the working end of a rope around the object or rope it will be gripping. Then create 2 wraps around the standing part of the rope. Finally, finish with a half hitch around the standing part. Dress and tighten the knot, securing the wraps are snug. The knot can be adjusted by sliding it along the standing part. The Midshipman's Hitch finds use in applications where adjustable tension is required, such as securing tent guy lines, rigging tarps, and creating adjustable anchor points. It's commonly used in camping, hiking, construction, and rigging. The Midshipman's Hitch performs well with a variety of different rope materials, but its holding power is crucial when used with synthetic ropes. The multiple wraps and specific configuration of the knot contribute to its holding power, even under significant tension and varying conditions. The primary risk associated with the Midshipman's Hitch is its potential to slip under extremely heavy or fluctuating loads, if not tied correctly. It's essential to ensure that the knot is properly dressed and tightened, and that enough wraps are used. Slippage is the main point of failure. The Midshipman's Hitch is documented in the Ashley Book of Knots as knot number 1855 on page 310.